Hello my dear students. Today I am going to start exercise 5B. 5B phase number 87. So in exercise 5B first question we have replace by greater than, less than or equal to make the statement true. So here the fraction is given there. Now we have to show which fraction is greater and which one is less. So in order to do that, first step, what we have to do? We have to find the cross product. Now how to find this cross product? Suppose say number is given 3 by 10 and 4 by 11. So when we multiply these two, 3 and 11, so we will get 3 into 11 and here 10 into 4. So 11 3s are 33 and 10 4s are 40. So this 40 is for this given fraction and this 33 is for this fraction 3 by 10. Now when we compare, which one is greater? This 40 is greater. 40 is greater means 4 by 11. 4 by 11 is, so we can say that this 4 by 11 is greater than 3 by 10. Why this is so? Because when we cross multiply these two, we are getting 33. We are getting this 33. When we multiply this 10 and 4, these two number, we are getting 40. So since this fraction 4 by 11 is greater, so you have to show this arrow. Here 4 by 11 is greater than 3 by 10. The next question we have, arrange the following fraction in ascending order. We know that ascending order means from small to big, from smaller number to bigger number. So question is given 1 by 6, 3 by 4 and 5 by 12. So we have to identify which one is the smaller fraction, which one is the next smaller, and in that way we have to solve this. So given question is 1 by 6, 3 by 4 and 5 by 12. So first step, what we will do that we have to find the LCM. We have to take the LCM of this given denominator. So we have 6, 4 and 12. We will take the LCM. By 2 it will go 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Again it will go by 2. So 3 will remain 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. It will go by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Here it will multiply this 3, then LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 equals 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So there are two techniques to solve this. I will show one by one. First technique, suppose say first fraction is 1 by 6. Now we have to multiply this denominator in such a way that we have to get this denominator value 12. So when we multiply this 1 by 2, here if you are multiplying this denominator by 2, then numerator also you have to multiply by 2. So here 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12. So we are getting the denominator and the LCM value same. Now second fraction we have 3 by 4. So we will do the same thing here, 3 by 4. Now we have to make this denominator value 12. So here if I multiply 4 3 so here also 3, we will get 3 3s are 9 by 4 3s are 12. So here also we are getting same value 12 as a denominator, and that is same to that LCM value, that is 12. Now similarly we will do the same thing for this third value, third fraction. We have 5 by 12. Now this denominator is 12 and we have to get it this one value 12, same as LCM. So what I will do that here I will multiply with 1. Here also I will multiply with 1. So 5 1s are 5, 12 1s are 12. Now we can see that all are like fraction because the denominator values are same. 2 by 12, here 9 by 12, here 5 by 12. Now I will compare this fraction and we can easily see that which one is the greater fraction, which one is the smaller fraction. Now compare the numerator value. Here 2 by 12, here 9 by 12, here 5 by 12. So we can write this one as ascending order fractions are, which one is the smaller? This 2 by 12. So 2 by 12. Next, after that 2 by 12, then we have 5 by 12. So next one we have 5 by 12. After 5, which one is greater? We have 9 by 12. So next one we have 9 by 12. So the ascending order fractions are 2 by 12, 5 by 12 and 9 by 12. So 2 by 12 is for, this 2 by 12 is for 1 by 6. This 5 by 12, 5 by 12 is for 5 by 12, 5 by 12. And this 9 by 12 is for 3 by 4. So this is the way to arrange the given fraction in ascending order. Now the same question 2-1 we can solve it by another method also. I am going to show you the second method to solve this question. So first step what we'll do that we have to take LCM. We have to find the LCM of this 6, 4 and 12. It is same as the earlier one. So by 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12. Again by 2, 3, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, then 3, 1 1 1. So here LCM equals to 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. LCM is 12. Now we can take the first fraction 1 by 6. So 1 by 6, whatever the LCM we have got it from this value, then we can multiply this one. So 12. Now we can cancel 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Now 1 into 2 will get 2. That means for first fraction, for 1 by 6, we are getting value 2. Now for the second one, 3 by 4, we can take 3 by 4. So for this 3 by 4, what we can do that? 3 by 4 into, again we can multiply this one with 12. So 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So here 3 3 is 9. We are getting a 9. Now for this third one 5 by 12, we can do similarly 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 into, what is the LCM? 12. So this 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. So here we are getting 5. Now if you compare these 2, 9 and 5, which one is smaller? This 2 is smaller. Second one is 5, then 9. So here we can say that the ascending order fraction are, from here which one is smaller? This 2. So in place of this 2, what is your value? 1 by 6. 1 by 6. So for the same one is 5. So for this 5 we have 5 by 12. So 1 by 6, then 5 by 12, and then next one we have 9. So for this 9, 3 by 4. So this is the second method to find the given fraction in ascending order. Okay, just for your convenience, I am going to solve one more question from this question number 2. So solve part 3. Question is given 3 by 8, 5 by 6, 7 by 16 and 11 by 24. So here also we have to arrange the given fraction in ascending order. So in order to arrange the given fraction in ascending order, we have to find the LCM of given denominator. So here we have 8, 6, 16 and 24. So we have to take the LCM. So this is first step. First step. Now with 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24. Again if you take it by 2, then 2 2s are 4, 3 will remain as it is, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again it will go by 2, so 2 1s are 2, 3 will remain as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now again it will go by 2. So 1, 3, 2 1s are 2, 3 will remain as it is. Now with 3, 1, 3 1s are 3, 1, 3 1s are 3. So LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, or 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So LCM is 48. So we can solve this one by two methods. Whichever you feel easier, you can follow that method. So I am going to solve this one by first method. First method. In the case of first method, we have given fraction 3 by 8. Now, in the case of first method, we have to try to make this denominator value exactly 48, because LCM value is 48. So, in order to make this one 48, we can multiply this one with 8, 6. So, if you are multiplying this denominator by 6, numerator also we have to multiply it by 6. So, 3 6 are 18, divided by 8, 6 are 48. So here we are getting the same value as LCM. Now second fraction, we have 5 by 6. So here also we have to try to make this denominator value 48. So if I multiply 6 8s are 48. So here also we have to multiply with 8. Now 5 8s are 40. 40 by 48. Now the next one we have, next fraction we have 7 by 16. So here also we have to try to make this one denominator value 48. So if I multiply this one with 3, here also with 3, we will get 7 3s are 21 divided by 16 3s are 48. So in all cases, what we are getting, that denominator 48, 48, here also 48. Now last one we have 11 by 24. Now we have to multiply this 24 with such a number that it will become 48. So if I multiply this one with 2, here also you have to multiply with this 2. So 11 2s are 22. Divided by 24 into 2 will get 48. So in all the cases we are getting 48, 48, 48, 48. So it is like a like fraction. Now on the basis of that numerator value, we can easily know that which fraction is smaller and which one is bigger. So for that, we can say that the smaller fraction we have, if you compare, here is 18, here is 40, here is 21, here is 22. So first one smaller is this 18, 18 by 48. So you can write it 18 by 48. The second one we have, after this 18 we have next 21 by 48. So 21 by 48. Now next after 28 we have 22 by 48. 22 by 48. Then after that we have 40 by 48. Now, in the case of this 18 by 48, what is the fraction we have? The fraction is 3 by 8. That means the smaller fraction is this one. In place of this we have 3 by 8. Now in case of 21 by 48, 21 by 48 we have this 7 by 16. So 7 by 16. Now after this we have 22 by 48. 22 by 48. So in place of this one we have 7 by 16. And in place of this 22 by 48. 22 by 48 the fraction is this 11 by 24. So 11 by 24. Now next, in place of 40 by 48, in place of 40 by 48, what is the fraction? This 5 by 6. So fraction is 5 by 6. Now these are arranged in which order? Ascending order. So this is the first method to solve. Now I will show you the second method also. Whichever you feel easier, you can follow that method. I am going to solve it by second method. In the case of second method, what we'll do that first we'll take the LCM of this given denominator. So we have 8, 6, 16, 24. So here if you take, it will be same. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24. Again it will go by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 will remain as it is. 2 4s are 8, then 2 6s are 12. Again it will go by 2. So 2 3 will remain as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So we 2 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 will remain as it is. Again with 3, 1 1 1, 3 1s are 3. So LCM equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equals to, will get 48. Now in the case of second method, what we have to do that, whatever the given fraction are there, suppose the first fraction we have 3 by 8. So this 3 by 8, what we can do that, 3 by 8 into whatever the LCM it will come, we will multiply the fraction with this 48. Now if you cancel the 8 1s are 8, 8 6 are 48. Now 3 and 6, 6 3s are 80. We are getting the product 80. Similarly we will do for the second one, 5 by 6. So for this 5 by 6 also we will do the same thing. 5 by 6 into 48. So 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. Now we have to 5 into 8. So 5 into 8, 8 5s are 40. Now similarly we will do it for the 7 by 16. 7 by 16. So for this one, 7 by 16 into 48. So if you divide 16 1s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So here 7 3s are 21. If you multiply, you will get 21. And the last one we have 11 by 24. So for this one 11 by 24 also we can do the same thing. 11 by 24 into 48. So 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So here 11 2s are 22. Now if you compare this value, which one is smaller? 18 is smaller. Second one is 21, then 22, then 40. So we can arrange this one into ascending order. So first one we have 18, then bigger we have 21, the next value we have 22, the next value we have 40. So in place of 18, what is your fraction? This 3 by 8. So in place of this 18 we will write fraction 3 by 8. Then in place of 21, In place of 21, we will see that the fraction is 7 by 16. 7 by 16. And next one we have 22. So in place of 22, we have 11 by 24. So 11 by 24. And the next one we have 40. 40. So for 40, what is the fraction given here? 5 by 6. 5 by 6. So these are the fractions arranged in which order? Ascending order. So remaining portion we will do it in the next class.